Did you know? Hidden in a corner of this vast world lies a country where chilling history meets breathtaking modern wonders. A land of ancient castles, mystical caves, the enchanting Black Forest, and strange, colorful traditions that will leave you in awe. Everyday life in Germany unfolds like a story, starting with the aroma of coffee, bustling with vibrant festivals, and breathing through timeless traditions. Today, we will dive deep into the unbelievable history, heritage, fascinating culture, iconic landmarks, mysterious tales, bizarre daily life practices, exotic rituals, and thrilling festivals of Germany. And we'll explore Germany's most famous historical and breathtaking sites. Before we embark on this incredible journey, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon. So let's unveil the mysteries and step into an adventure of a lifetime. Located in the heart of Europe, Germany feels the gentle touch of the Baltic and North Seas to the north and the snowy smile of the Alps to the south. To the west, it shares warm friendships with France, Belgium, and the Netherlands, while to the east, Poland and the Czech Republic beckon with historic ties. Rivers like the Rhine, Elbe, and Danube weave their evergreen melody across the land. The solemn call of the mountains, the sweet murmur of the rivers, and the green spell of the forests create a beautiful rhythm in Germany's geography. From calm plains to the eerie Black Forest and fields bursting with colorful flowers, nature here speaks, sings, and inspires dreams. Life in Germany flows like a charming rhythm. As the dawn breaks, towns and villages wake up to a world of motion. A sip of coffee, fresh bread in hand, and the day begins. Children walk to school, trams swiftly run through cities. The day's hustle fills offices, shops, and factories. In the afternoon, Kaffee und Kuchen, the ritual of coffee and cake, offers a sweet pause to tired souls. As evening descends, soft lights fill the streets, and families gather with laughter and stories. In this simple daily rhythm, a deep humanity shines. Germany's population is around 83 million. It is one of the most populous countries in Europe. The country has a low population growth rate and a high proportion of elderly people. Although the birth rate is low, waves of immigration are keeping the country young and diverse. Christianity is Germany's main religion, primarily divided into Protestant and Catholic branches. The sound of church bells echoes centuries of history. Here, religion is not just faith, but a part of culture. Christmas is Germany's brightest celebration, decorating trees, setting up festive markets, sharing warm meals, and gathering with family. Easter and the Harvest Festival also weave deep emotional threads into the culture. Religious traditions here are carried with quiet respect and heartfelt devotion. Germany's customs are often delightful and surprising. In small towns, children receive colorful Schultüte, large paper cones filled with chocolates and toys, on their first day of school. Then there's Oktoberfest, where millions don traditional attire and dive into beer-fueled celebrations. Cologne's Carnival is a storm of joy, with masked parades and street dances. Even when building a house, a Richtfest is held once the roof is completed, with a tree placed atop and celebrations below. These small, vibrant traditions reveal the warmth and uniqueness of German life. As winter's soft mist cloaks the cities, Germany's Christmas markets light up like a fairy tale. Cobblestone streets line up with tiny stalls offering spiced glühwein, handcrafted wooden toys, and sparkling ornaments. Every corner whispers warmth. A light dusting of snow adds magic, and walking with hot coffee or cocoa in hand feels like stepping into an enchanted world. Children clutch chocolate cakes with shivering hands, couples smile under candlelit decorations. The Christmas market is more than a market, it's a pure celebration of feelings. German culture is a vibrant explosion of colors. The melodies of Bach, Beethoven, and Brahms still hum through the air. Gothic cathedrals and stunning modern architecture stand tall, while traditional costumes like Dirndl and Lederhosen add rustic charm. Literature remembers Goethe and Schiller, and contemporary art galleries sparkle with new creative energy. Here, culture is not just history, it breathes in everyday life. Germany holds the title of the world's fourth largest economy. Automotive giants like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen rule the roads. Technology, engineering, chemical industries, and renewable energy sectors fuel its strength. With a low unemployment rate and strong job markets, the nation thrives. Small and medium enterprises, Mittelstand, form the backbone of its economy. Through innovation, precision, and sustainable policies, Germany stands as a trusted leader in global trade. Now let's find out 10 amazing, unknown, weird, and thrilling facts about Germany that make it unique. The fairy tales of the Black Forest. Germany's Black Forest isn't just woods, it's the birthplace of countless fairy tales like Hansel and Gretel and Snow White, filled with magical mystery. Public holidays for beer. In parts of Bavaria, public holidays are declared during traditional beer festivals. Beer here isn't just a drink, it's a way of life. Germany has 25,000 castles. Unbelievable but true. Germany has around 25,000 castles. Many are well preserved, turning the entire country into a fairy tale explorer's dream. The mystery of the Blue Lake. The Blautopf Lake's water is so intensely blue, it looks surreal. Local legends even claim that water nymphs live beneath its surface. Free university education. In Germany, many public universities charge little to no tuition fees for both local and international students. Education here is seen as a basic right. First Christmas tree tradition began here. The tradition of decorating Christmas trees started in Germany in the 16th century, when Christian families began bringing trees into their homes. World's largest model railway. Hamburg's Miniature Wonderland hosts the world's largest model railway, featuring detailed miniature worlds so realistic they feel alive. Land of genius and inspiration. From Einstein to Goethe, Germany has birthed some of the world's greatest scientists, philosophers, and writers, a true powerhouse of creativity. Pioneer of the modern Olympic spirit, German figure Karl Diem was a key contributor to the revival of the modern Olympics, giving Germany a special place in sports history. Ancient cave art in Germany. In the caves of Swabian Jura, archaeologists found some of the oldest human art, like the 40,000-year-old Lion Man figurine, a breathtaking discovery. Dear viewers, although this tour of history, culture, festival, daily life, and heritage documentary ends today, our journey is not over yet. In the next episode, we will discover the historical and amazing sights of Germany. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Let's step into the next chapter of history together. Thank you.